Anywhere there's conflict, children will always be children, and it's great that that's been honoured today and that it's a play area. These children are part of our history. The 40 children that died violently in the Easter Rising had not been remembered, let alone named, and now they've been named. We have their death certs for each and every one of them. Tragically, they all died violently, gunshot wounds primarily. They were never mentioned, never named until 2016, until 100 years after the Rising. And it takes less than a minute to read out the 40 names, where it's taken 100 years to get their names into the public domain, and it's taken 103 years to get their names memorialised in one place, simply dedicated to children. So that's great. They are part of our history. One thing, and I told some stories here today of what happened to families after their children were killed, and I used that phrase, bullets never stop travelling. Like a number of families had suicides after their children were killed because of the impact. And we have to remember that violence is, especially between states, is ultimately futile. And violence everywhere, in the home, on the street, in international relations, in armed conflict. Violence has no place in the world of 2019.
Young people said they wanted a place to play, something forward-looking, something that was playful and not sombre, but something that commemorated. And I'm delighted to see the park here. It's one of the most historic parts of Dublin, the medieval quarter, and I think this is a great addition.
Children never change. They want to play, they want to be engaged, be it in Syria or the Yemen or Ireland or anywhere there's conflict. Children will always be children, and it's great that that's been honoured today and that it's a play area, it's a play garden, and it's an appropriate way to remember them.